Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. You're watching Daily Crypto Plan. Well, we'll start as usual with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is in a nice location here, just above 38.2. If we take swing low, swing high. So on daily chart, you can see we have some support here. We rejected last time here. I think we'll offer a possible support at 38.2. What I really think that if we'll have bad news or something will happen, well, we'll go straight to 61.8. This is, you can see, we don't have anything here. So from this level, if we lose 60k, we can go straight to 52. Even if we'll put a volume profile, you'll see that it's a gap here. And look, if we'll accept below 60k, we are not accepting for the moment. But if we'll accept, then 52 is the next level. Hey, Christian. So that's my thinking. We are holding for the moment here. I have a long setup already in the market, a shark setup. I'm thinking maybe we'll bounce, but in case that will not bounce, well, I don't know. Let's just be prepared to have some limit orders here at 52, because straight down it's the best scenario here in this gap, and then work back up and behave like a resistance at 60k and things like that. For the moment we are not there yet, just a warning sign for the future. Let's see what we have on indicators. Well, on daily chart at least we are still kind of bearish on indicators. You can see head and shoulder pattern, a lot of bearish divergence. I don't see anything bullish on daily chart, that's for sure. Yeah? We accepted below 50%, 50 line on RSI. That's an ugly sign. Nothing special on daily. We are still bearish, thinking bearish. But if we'll zoom out on 4-hour chart, and I think 4-hour chart is the best for day-by-day talk and day trading kind of idea. Well, we have some support here like you saw on daily chart, but here you can see it better. And indicators, well, we have something, at least small signs. Here in the last dump, let me zoom in a little bit and I'll take, you can see this is a low and a lower low here, you can see. But if you look at the RSI, well, we have a slightly higher low and it's trying to confirm up here. It's a sign. We had bullish divergence here, we confirm it, and now we are trying to do a bigger one on MACD. So maybe the market is not so weak as we think. Same idea like on RSI you have on OBV. It's not confirmed yet, indeed, it's just a potential one. But if we'll accept above this level, will be a confirmed bullish divergence on OBV on 4-hour chart. So let's not think so bearish on Bitcoin. We are already long with the shark setup. I'll show you in the day trading part. Let's see what will happen. Now, we played our setups, and I think we are good to, I don't know, if the market will bounce, we are long. If the market will dump, we'll wait lower. It's that simple. I don't think it's a good idea today to be too aggressive. Even if the news, they are all the way down deep in the New York session. There are big news, important news expected by everyone. So probably the best for us is to just sit on the sidelines and wait. I had that shark setup from days ago, so I played that one. Honestly, today I'll try to find some strong altcoins that they are bouncing hard and play them on lower time frames with Holy Grail. I think that's the play for me until the news. Okay, so Bitcoin on 4-hour chart, we have some hopes here. You can see some bullish divergence trying to form. RSI and MACD and OBV, they have a potential one. MACD has a confirmed one and a big potential one. Let's see what will happen. We don't have any structure here. We can form, I don't know, a 3-bar fractal bottom, maybe rejecting from this level. Could be. Well, we almost completed AB equals CD. We didn't touch 60. Maybe someone had some orders here, but we still have time to go lower. But AB equals CD, it's almost complete, almost. So if I'll take the high, I'll take the low. Let's not clone this time and just take this one and put it here, and you can see the target for an AB equals CD. Close enough. We can go a bit lower, yeah. We'll go, I don't know. Well, that's Bitcoin. Let's go on Ethereum 4-hour chart. And Ethereum, same idea, AB equals CD, almost completed. We have some small support here. A big fat round number again, $3,000. I think will offer some support. And if we'll stay here until the halvening between 3,000 and 4,000, well, nothing bad with that. With $1,000 range on Ethereum, I could make some money. I think it's profitable for us to play a $1,000 range on Ethereum. Keep in mind, it's 25% from the entire, a range of 25%. Well, I'll gladly play that if I'll see the opportunity. But for the moment, same idea like on Bitcoin. We have same divergence on MACD, same divergence confirmed on OBV. So Ethereum, even if looks weaker, it's a bit stronger. Yeah, you can see here, bullish divergence confirmed. I don't know if this candle is closed. In 22 minutes, well, we can consider it closed. And nothing on RSI for the moment, but MACD and OBV, they are trying to tell us something. That Ethereum is not so weak as we can see here. We'll bounce here. We'll bounce here, and in the news will dump and form a big W here. Possible. Not the best scenario to play around on before the news. That's why I'm recommending to stay on the sidelines. But it's a possible scenario. Idea is we are in a area, pump chaser zone area. We had this level like a support, will behave like a support. We have some strength sign that maybe the market is a bit stronger. Let's wait for something more, for a clear setup here. Okay, that's Ethereum on 4-hour chart. Now, I'll go on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is just behaving ugly. Not ugly, but short and back in the middle of the range. In the short real zone, back in the middle of the range. If we'll confirm this big EM and will go down, okay, I could be more aggressive on hunting longs on altcoins. But the best signal for us is just accepting below middle of the range. If we'll accept below this level, well, we can be really aggressive on altcoins. Until then, play the strong ones carefully, small risk, be aggressive in taking your profit, make some money. You have to know how to do it and how to play with Holy Grail in this environment. When you'll see accepting below this level, well, just take the Holy Grail and ride the trend. That will be easy. Now, not so easy, but doable. We can make some money. Okay, I think we'll play around. Maybe a dark Mahul in the news, something like that. But for the moment, we are below this YAM and above these Ws. So, exactly in the middle. Not too many things to do. I see this potential EM here. Let's see if we'll confirm. And then the next level to watch is middle of the range. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we are at 78.6. The problem with this 78.6, hopefully will be a fake out and will recover quickly. Because we confirmed this EM, but we confirmed this one. That's not good. Not on daily chart. We didn't close on daily chart below the level, so it could be a week down, fake out and push back up, but looks ugly on daily. I'll be honest. Hopefully it will be a fake out. If not, oh, look at the megaphone pattern all the way down here. That's the target. Let's wait and see what will happen. Actually, if I'm looking at daily, I see a different picture. We already confirmed this big EM. Doesn't look nice. If it will be a fake out, let's keep in mind this is a long reload zone. We are at 78.6. If we are expecting a W, this is the location where we want a W or a 3-bar fractal and bounce straight up. And you can see Ethereum versus Bitcoin last couple of times behaved ugly. V bottom, V top, V top, V bottom, V top, V bottom, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. DXY, well, DXY is behaving really nice between short and long. Nothing to complain about that. Let's just leave it alone and hopefully, let's pray that will stay there. Okay, it's time to go on weekly chart and let's see what we have on weekly chart on Bitcoin. And I'll take Ethereum too, why not? Well, again, textbook 3-bar fractal empire top. But remember, we still have 4 days, 5 days almost until this last candle will close. If we'll close like this, well, that's a probable local top. Yeah? But let's see what will happen. We still have 4 days until this will close. We don't have a clear signal of the top. We have this indecision candle, well, and at the end of the week, we can close above this level or above all-time high, and that will change the perspective. If we'll accept above 69, then we can think higher again. If 69 will behave like a support and resistance and will reject again, they can push us back at 52. You can see a small support here or lower. We have some support here at 44 and deeper in the long reload zone. But step by step, let's see what will happen here. Let's just wait and see how this candle will close, the last one. Okay. Ethereum, same kind of thinking. We can see same pattern here. We have a $1,000 range, $4,000 to $3,000. I think we'll go a bit lower to touch $3,000 to see what is there. Pump chaser zone, you can see 38.2 where it is. So we can push a bit lower. The first support actually is here below 50%. This is the area where we will have a clear bounce, probably. Let's see the volume profile. Well, you can see we have a gap here. So something needs a fill at this point. It will do it now or later, we don't know. So same idea on Ethereum. Now I'll take a look at total, but I need daily. I don't think weekly will give us too much. So total, same pattern like on Bitcoin. You can see AB equals CD. We are in the short reload zone, so we should look for short ideas. Total 2 lower than total. You can see it just barely touched the short reload zone, and total 3 didn't even touch total short reload zone. So I think total 3 has some room to recover if the market will allow that. Okay, that's total 3. Now let's go on day trading part. Well, if you remember, we said something about this plan. I adapted my Mountain Man short and Shark short because I had to adapt it with the change of the low. I have to do it again. Okay, let's just remove this one. I have to change it again because I have this low and I need this one now. And you can see slightly lower. I'll adapt my short levels. But we said we'll play the Shark setup, not the Mountain Man. I didn't trust the Mountain Man and I said we'll play the Shark. Well, for the moment we are nice and clean. We can bounce from here. If I'll reach 1-to-1, then I could close 50% and get a free position. And from that point I don't care anymore. But for the moment we are not in that position. In the same time, you have to look at this LJ, this green line. Let's put it a bit thicker. Okay, let's put it a bit thicker so people can see it. I think this is better. Okay. So we have this trend line. If we'll see a W the other side of the trend line, that will activate this trade, LJ. Well, we didn't have a W the other side of the trend line. We lost the trend line. We are again above the trend line. Give me a W and we can play something. I don't know if we'll put more risk because we are already long with Shark, but will be another confirmation for us that we are thinking right. Overall, we are in this small long reload zone. Let's see what will happen. Maybe we'll bounce, maybe not, but we have to respect our plan and we have to play our setups. That is what is making us profitable. For the moment, I'm okay with this trade. Well, That's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the rest of the market and let's zoom out on 4-hour chart, because altcoin on lower time frame, they don't give us too many things to do. Doji, well, nothing to do here. It's trying to consolidate this level. If we'll see a clear W breakout and retest, yeah. Land, like I said yesterday, okay, give me a W. Just give me a W in the long reload zone. We probably had some bullish divergence here. Barely. But you can see a big one here. If you think this one, it's a potential one at least. And bullish divergence on RSI already, you can see it in the indicator. So give me a clear W here and I could play something. We have location, we have some bullish divergence. Just give me a W. When this one will become bull again, well, a W the other side of this big trend line. If we can consolidate here, or maybe we'll push higher and we'll get the W up here. Then I could think AB equals CD and I could think higher. For the moment, well, nothing I can do. Fed, well, I close the trade here and I'm waiting. Well, I could play something. I could think about something. Well, let's take this level and let's take this one. This is a swing low. Well, give me a W. Just give me a W. And I could play around. Until then, we are in the pump chaser zone here. Indeed, we are. But you want to take this trade here? I think the market is too volatile for that. They could pump, they could dump, but I don't see an opportunity to take the trade stop loss at 2.1 and the entry at 2.6. Well, I don't have the best risk reward there. That's for sure. Has to pump a lot to give me a 2-to-1. But if the market will behave nicely and will slowly bleed here in the long reload zone or touch mountain man, see a 3-bar fractal bottom, I could be more aggressive. For the moment, no. BNB, pump chaser zone, trying to do a W, probably some bullish divergence. You can see it here. Well, actually, yeah. No, because this is a lower low here. But you can see W in RSI, W in OBV, W in price in the pump chaser zone. So if you want to play something, I think BNB can offer us a nice trade. You want to wait for an LJ and wait for the next W? Not bad. I don't have a trade for the moment. I'm looking. I want a breakout and a retest, even if I'm thinking to take the pump chaser zone on BNB. But keep in mind, BNB is strong. Doge, well, lost a little bit the level, took some liquidity, and it's just hanging in the lower part of the range. Nothing to do for the moment. Just nothing to do. Bitcoin, we spoke about. Ethereum, the same. Actually, Ethereum, nothing we can do. We lost this low, and from now on, let's wait and see what will happen here at 3000. If we'll see a W, we can think about something. The same idea. You can see on OBV, we have a bullish divergence. We talk about that. Manta, in the long reload zone, give me a W. I don't see anything bullish on indicators. I don't see bullish divergence, but I could see an indicator confirmation here with some W's in OBV, W in price, W in RSI. Well, that's acceptable, but give me a clear W here in the long reload zone. Matic, same kind of thinking, but I don't like it. Let's just leave it until we'll reverse, breakout and retest. Nice location here. Hold this level, but created some equal lows. I think we'll FU this level, and then we can think about something. So maybe power of 3 will be better here. Now, let's wait for a deviation, and then we can think about reclaiming. Not a bad idea. Okay, what we have on the dimension. Same kind of thinking, but I'm waiting a bit lower. I don't see a W yet, and I'm waiting a bit lower for a clear test of this level. If we'll accept here and we'll reject from that level, we'll say, well, no, I don't want to go below $5, and we'll form a W there, well, I'll take it. For the moment, some signs here, you can see some bullish signs, but not enough for me to be long. And besides that, today is not a good day to trade. It's just not. Pixel, you can see W in the long reload zone, trying to do something. Is a bit stronger than the rest. We had a bullish divergence. Same idea on OBV here. You can see it's trying to do a W. W on RSI, so that's good. You want to take this one, you think this one is stronger than the rest, breakout and retest and you can take it. It's up to you. Solana, well, Solana has a V top, and you can see where I thought that long relow zone is. You can see support here. Well, let it reach that level. If it will bounce without us, no big deal. We have some spot positions, but I think this is the area where we want a 61.8, and between 61.8 and 78.6 you can see 61.8 it's at a support resistance level, 78.6 same idea. So here I could, if the market will get there, I could think about reversing, and I could think longing again Solana. Fourth, nothing special from yesterday. Pete, we have a big yam here, but it's still holding some levels, still strong. Look here, we have some support, and support is supporting the price. It's that simple. We're not getting, we are in the pump chaser zone on 4-hour chart. I don't have a W, maybe 1-hour chart, because I could see with the naked eye, I could see this is the pump chaser zone. I don't need to update the fib, but give me a W here. Well, I don't have a W, so let me show you. This is the pump chaser zone. Yeah. Okay, let's put it back. I don't have a setup here. And Jupiter, well, lost the level, out from this bot setup, and the long relow zone, it's down here. I don't see a W. Probably we are trying to form some bullish divergence. Well, we have something on RSI. Well, nothing on OBV for the moment. We don't have a W. We don't have a good location. We have kind of a pump chaser zone here. Let's just delete this trade from now on. I journal it already, so I don't see the reason to keep it. Same idea. I'll show you. Pump chaser zone is there, but I don't have a W. If you want to take this one and you like it, okay, wait for a clear W and you can take a trade in the pump chaser zone on Jupiter. It's up to you. I'll probably wait for a long reload. I know everything one is bullish. Maybe I'm wrong. I have some spot bags, but for more, I want a long reload zone. Well, that's the day trading part. If you guys have requests about something else, about other coins, please post them in the general chat on Discord, and I'll look at them. It's that simple. If you are not on Discord yet, okay, post in the chat, in the live stream chat, and we can take a look at your requests. But specify the ticker and specify the time frame, so I'll know what to look at. If you give me the ticker, maybe the market, if it's on Binance, if you want to look at Bybit or things like that, and the time frame, because you can ask me about a coin and you want weekly chart, and I'll tell you about day trading or backwards. No, tell me the time frame and I'll know exactly what to look at. Well, that's the day trading part. If you look at economic calendar, well, deep in the New York session, I said it multiple times, we have Fed interest rate decision, FOMC projection, Fed conference. Ugly. Ugly. Today is the best day to take a break. If you want to take a break, today is the best day from the market perspective. Just don't do anything. Just leave it 100% in cash and wait. Yeah, that's the best advice I could give you about today. Just stay on the sidelines. Tomorrow, even if today we'll go and do a dip or a rip, tomorrow you'll have a retest of that level. So you'll not lose, probably 99% you'll not lose anything. But today, if you are tempted to trade in the news and you get an ugly slippage, you can destroy your account. So best decision, take a break. I'll be here, but I'll stay mostly on the sidelines. Okay. You can see the calendar. I posted on Twitter, I posted on Discord, you know about that. Meme coins, they are not performing at the moment, they are just playing around, consolidating. And you can see I have a short list here, nothing to do on them. They are just consolidating. Even when Kevin posted yesterday that it's consolidating something. It's consolidating 61.8. I have 78.6, but here it's 61.8 kind of idea. You want to take this one? Well, clear setup. I want a clear setup. Give me a W in the long reload zone and I'll play it. We made nice money on this one. Don't consider this one a meme coin anymore. Consider it a coin. They will find some utility. They will find it's a big one, perform better than Jupiter at some point in time. So think about taking it a bit seriously. The support, actual support, is here at you can see on my screen, just at half of the price we have now. That's the support. We have a lot of yams here. Don't be eager to play this one at this point in time. You can frame a trade, you can hope for a bounce of to the highs again, but overall we need to consolidate this level again. Okay, let's not keep it on the degen part on meme coins, because today not even meme coins will not behave nicely. On Discord we said something. Yesterday we had the meet with the old gladiators, and we decided that we'll separate things. So degen will be degen, meme coins, things like that, scalping on 5-minute, 3-minute chart, and premium members have access to post there. If I'll switch to that channel, you can see scalps and meme coins and everything, but we'll keep it separate from the day trading part. So here we have degen and only degen stuff, and here we'll have day trading part. I made a new channel for keep things separately. Some people don't want to trade meme coins, some people they don't know how to trade on chain, so let's keep it separate. Swing trading, we'll post swing trades, what is above 4-hour chart and higher, and invest ideas. Well, invest ideas, invest ideas should be daily, weekly chart, little old lady, risk management, kind of idea. So buy low, sell half on a double, or other strategies on daily and weekly chart. And you can see Kevin posted 2 ideas here, nice and clean. He will reload here in the long reload zone. Pretty simple, but he's investing, is not day trading here, is not swing trading. Same kind of idea here, waiting for the retest. I like that kind of thinking on weekly basis. Well, that's it from my part. Protect your capital. Watch out in the news, in the FOMC. Probably Kevin will be live streaming. He has a live stream today. Crypto charts. So you can join that and enjoy the FOMC and the discussion with Kevin. If you have requests, post it in general chat and Kevin will gladly look at your coins. If not, you can even ask Kevin in the live stream. But it's better to ask him on general chat before the live stream. He'll have time to prepare to look at the chart. It's better that way. He'll give you a better overview. Well, that's it from my part. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. If you are not a Discord member, you can join us. You have the link here, cryptotradersarena.com, and you'll find the Discord link. You can join us. For the general part, for the free part, the only condition to be in our community is to behave nicely. The only thing we ask you, behave nicely, and we'll let you be a Crypto Traders Arena member, and we'll try to help you. That's the only condition, just behave nice. Well, for premium membership, you have to have other things. For joining Capua One, same idea. And the keyword for premium membership, and especially for Capua One, is consistency. If you are consistent and if you can respect the plan, if you can do that, we'll gladly take you in and we'll try to teach you. If you are not, well, we offer a lot of information on general part also. That's it from my part. See you guys tomorrow morning on the same video. Just watch out in the news. I'll repeat. Watch out in the news. Stay on the sidelines. It's dangerous to play that one. See you guys.